Today we'll be unboxing the Under Armour Valsetz Charged. These are tactical boots with a 6-inch upper and are the newest version in the Under Armour Valsetz line. I got these in black, which I prefer, as these are also available in brown. They look very well made and have a modern low-key design. And as you can see here, they have the Under Armour logo on the side. They also have a rubber toe cap embossed with the Vibram lettering. The toe area is quite flexible and the outsoles are made with Vibram materials, which are slip resistant and are ideal for those who work on slippery or wet surfaces. This version has both laces and a side zip. Let's see how they look on the inside. As you can see, these are fully padded inside in light gray to provide added comfort during long hours of wear. On the back of the outsole you have Charged embroidered, and they also have a gray pull tab to help when putting the boots on. As for lacing, there's a set of eyelets at the top, followed by a set of lace hooks, with lace loops down the rest of the boot. One thing that really stands out when you hold this boot is how lightweight it feels. As you can see, both the upper and the sole are very flexible and twist quite easily. Now let's look at the insoles. These are removable, so I'll take one out so we can see exactly how it looks. As you can see, it comes out easily, so you can replace it if you want to customize the fit. It actually looks quite good, so in my opinion, you won't need new insoles. So to recap, these are a really good buy for anyone looking for a pair of quality tactical boots. If you want to check their latest price and availability, please use the link below. Also, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.